This is a bit of a this is a bit of a weird Twin 6K with trees, because the trees sort of like to counter rotate both on the spool part of the tree and on the gin part of the tree, which is, yeah, that's not normal, or at least shouldn't be normal, because the gin part is, well, should like not do that. The gin part should lock up in the milling, except it doesn't. And I think I know why, and I hope to be able to show that well enough after I pick this. But I gotta pick it first. Okay, looks like the sidebar set. His entire lock acts just weirdly. It acts completely different basically every time you pick it. There we go. But the weirdest part, for me at least, is the fact that the gin heads of the trees basically just counter rotate, something they by design shouldn't do. And it's not really because of the milling is worn. I mean, it's a little worn because it's a pretty old lock, but yeah, it's also a little bit hard to turn past that sidebar. Okay, let's get the closing rod unscrewed and then carefully drop the trees. Okay. Spring first, and then no. Alrighty. Okay, and just like that. Then 2 masters and a key pin. These masters are below shear, so they don't really affect picking, other than if you choose to lift them higher, but yeah. Second tree, or rather this is more of a jin than a tree. Still. Then closing rod. Come on. Bruh. Okay, there we go. 2 masters and a keep in. Again, all below shear. Okay. Oh, come on. Tree with 1 master and 1 keep in, which is again below shear. Ready. Another tree. This one doesn't have a master, just a keep in. Another tree. The long one. Just a keep in. And then the last one. Again, just a tree, no master, so just a keep in. Alrighty, let's get the core out. Let's show a sidebar groove. Ready. This is a sidebar. Sidebar springs. And the side pins. Alright, and the milling. Okay, now let's show you what I meant with that the tree's a little bit different. See if I can show this nicely. See how the top of that is kind of tapered upwards to like, yeah, to the outside. So when you push upwards on the key pin and this thing is in the milling, by itself it kind of wants to force the core, yeah, to rotate back so it can slip up. It's the first time I've encountered that personally. I've picked a couple of tree twins and Jin twins. I believe I picked I picked two or three 6Ks and 2 tree combis, but this is the only one I've noticed this happening in, so I'm not entirely sure what it's all about. Certainly weird though, and shows you why they probably moved away from trees to gins. But yeah, that's about it.